My name is Sid Sheth. I'm a third-year medical oncology fellow at the University of North Carolina in Chapel Hill, and I'm spending my year currently at AstraZeneca in Gaithersburg, Maryland. I am housed in the early phase clinical development team, and it's all oncology, so it's a group of about 8 medical oncologists and up to maybe 15 PhD researchers. We're really tasked with taking agents that have been vetted preclinically, and then they come to our early phase group, and then we're using the science that's been developed and putting into tumor types where we think there might be promise. That's one piece of my work, and the other is also working with the translational science, translational medicine team, and working on biomarker development, working on how we can do a better job of selecting our patient populations into specific clinical trials. Very early on in my medicine training, I started to work on both cancer prevention research areas and then also some early work in clinical trials, and that really carried forward to my time starting at the University of North Carolina and now, and I've kind of narrowed my interest to early phase clinical trials and biomarker development, and head and neck cancer is one of those cancer types that can be considered immunologically warm or hot tumor where immunotherapy works. So when I learned about this opportunity at AstraZeneca and through AACR, I thought it would be the perfect kind of marriage to learn more about IO therapy, learn more about what's coming through the developmental pipeline, and how myself as a future investigator can really harness what the tools we have both from a therapeutic standpoint and then also biomarker development to really help our head and neck cancer patients. The support from AACR is absolutely important for medical fellows like myself who are learning about cancer research, learning about immunotherapy, and having this opportunity to interface both with academia, with large organizations like AACR, and then industry, and finding ways to harness kind of the individual strengths of these organizations, bringing it together, and then in the future, having the tools to then develop better cancer trials, better biomarkers for our patients. AACR has an opportunity to connect the fantastic work that the basic scientists are doing and then really help translate that into clinical trial work. So one of the opportunities that AACR can really help us as clinician scientists and basic scientists is bring these two groups together at the same table and to connect us, even if we're not at the same institution or even if they're folks who are doing the work at industry or academia, having us have this common shared vision.